This is the Thai Basil Pork I grew up eating in Bangkok, and I'll show you how to recreate that street food flavor in just 15 minutes. Let's make the sauce for basil pork. In a bowl, mix together soy sauce, fish sauce, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, and sugar. This sauce is all about balance, salty, savory, a little sweet. And we mix it ahead so everything cooks fast. And now we're going to make fried eggs. In a pan over medium-high heat, add 3 tablespoons of high smoking point oil. Fry 1 egg at a time, letting the hot oil bubble around the edges until crispy and golden, while keeping the yolk runny. Remove. Wait until you see this on the rice. Do you like your eggs runny or fully cooked? Drop a comment and share with me. In a wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the ground pork. Stir fry for about 3 minutes until lightly brown. After school, there was a small food stall near my house. I used to go there and just order this. It was simple but somehow tastes better than anything else. Add the garlic and red chili. Stir fry for about 10 seconds. Pour in the sauce and continue to stir fry until evenly coated. Add the Thai basil leaves. This is a signature. Once the basil hits the heat, the whole dish changes. The aroma becomes bold, slightly peppery, and instantly smells like Thai street food. The aroma, the flavor. This is exactly what I grew up eating in Bangkok. If you want the perfect pairing, try it with my papaya salad. Subscribe for more 30-minute Asian recipes and check out my cookbook for more foolproof dishes.